Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to link OneDrive in Windows 11 operating system. Click on folder here. Click on OneDrive option here. Here provide the email address. Click on sign in option. Here provide the password details. Click on sign in option here. So your OneDrive folder, add files to your OneDrive folder so you can access them from other devices and still have them on this PC. Okay, so this is the path. Okay, see user GVS OneDrive. So click on next option here, and I will use this folder instead of creating a choose new folder. As of now I will click on not now. I want to go for premium version. Click on next. Share files and folders. Click on next. Online only on this device, always available. Okay, so choose the option. Click on next. I will click on later instead of getting the mobile app. Click on later. Your OneDrive is ready for you. Open my OneDrive folder. Click on this. Now you can see the path is C users GVS OneDrive. Okay, GVS is the name. Okay, and OneDrive is the folder. So in your case the name it can be get changed, but the path will be on the same. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video.